Imagine waking up every morning, grabbing your phone and seeing money flowing into your account without doing a thing. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that I actually made this happen, earning over $10,000 in just 30 days with passive income? And no, this isn't some scam, get-rich-quick scheme or sketchy loophole. This is real, sustainable, and something that anyone can do. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps I took to make this happen and how you can replicate it. But here's the deal. If you skip even one step, this might not work for you. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal the #1 mistake that stops most people from ever making passive income. So stick with me till the end. A lot of people believe passive income is just a fantasy or that you need thousands of dollars to get started. But that's simply not true. The key is finding the right strategy, one that actually works and keeps making you money on autopilot. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact systems I built, the investments I made, and the automation techniques I used to generate over $10,000 in just 30 days. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's tried passive income but struggled to make it work, this guide is for you. Here's the harsh truth. Most people will never achieve real passive income. And it's not because they don't work hard, it's because they don't set up the right systems. They chase trends, jump into random side hustles without a strategy, and worst of all, they quit before they see results. The biggest challenge isn't making money, it's making money in a way that keeps flowing in, month after month, without trading time for it. Powerful passive income methods. So, how did I actually do it? Here are the 3 powerful passive income methods that helped me cross $10,000 in just 1 month. And they all run on autopilot. 1. High-ticket print-on-demand with AI. Imagine selling t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and posters without ever touching inventory. I used AI tools like Leonardo AI and Midjourney to create unique, high-quality designs. Then I listed them on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Shopify with no upfront inventory costs. Everything is automated. Customers place orders, third-party suppliers ship the products, and I collect profits without lifting a finger. 2. Automated stock photo and video selling. Did you know you can sell AI-generated stock photos and videos passively? I used Leonardo AI and Runway ML to create professional quality stock images and AI-generated videos. I uploaded them to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels Premium. Every time someone downloads my content, I get paid, and this keeps happening forever. One-time upload, lifetime earnings. 3. Self-updating faceless blog with AI. What if I told you a blog can make you money without you ever writing? I launched a faceless blog using ChatGPT and Koala AI Writer to generate SEO-optimized and content daily. The blog earns through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Best part? It runs entirely on autopilot, generating monthly revenue with zero ongoing effort. Now, here's the real game changer. Passive income isn't just about choosing the right method, it's about automation. I use tools like Zapier and Make.com to automate everything, saving me over 100+ hours per month. And remember that one mistake I mentioned earlier? It's trying to do everything manually. If you're constantly working on your passive income, then it's not really passive. So what's next? If you want to start making real passive income, follow these steps. 1. Pick a method that fits you. 2. Set up the system properly. 3. Automate it so it runs without you. And here's the most important thing. Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. There's no perfect moment. The perfect moment is right now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more passive income strategies. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I personally reply to everyone.